Just checking out my garden. After all that cold weather, my first time out here. Look like everything pretty much survived. See, I got some fava beans. They coming up right there. Arugula, little catnip. Got some good old collards right there growing. Dill, cabbage, Brussels sprouts. Them things getting bigger and bigger. Trying to clean my yard up too at the same time. Some more collard greens, some decio, some beets, little carrots growing. Let's see, I got some lettuce coming up. Old Bodie lettuce, trying to let that dry out for the seeds. Cabbage still coming up. Over here, more collards. I guess you see I like them collards. Got some Swiss chard. And this one, my poor babies, man. It was the purple peas, man. They died on me. It's all good, though. Rosemary still hanging in there. Got some green beans I'm trying to get coming up there. Over here is some broccoli. And little daddy and them look like they trying to survive. That's some mint, some cilantro. These little babies here, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. That's some supposed to be blueberry, supposed to be blackberry. And this bed here, more Bodie lettuce. More Bodie lettuce. That's some more cabbage back there going. Some red mustards. Look like I had another one here, look like that cold killed them, I don't know. Then I had some more beets coming up right there. Some more beans. This was some fibers here in the corner over here. But all in all, I'm about to clean all this up, get back to the business. So it's been a little while since I started this compost, so I want to see what this is gonna do. Like it's breaking down. I made a mistake of putting them big old twigs, but they'll be all right. I can sift that. See how that's gonna work out. Then I'm about to try my hand at something I found out about that's Jadam. Making a fertilizer with just the grass clippings and water. But they say it get real funky. But it's all good. It's just good for the plants. Like 5 gallons can make like 500 gallons. I don't know. I can be off on that map, but it's all good. We get it done. Yeah, this is my other little compost. Starting from scratch, you know, trying to make it happen, man, that's all. We're gonna be good this spring. And I got my little grow station, trying to make something happen over here, you know, mixing dirt. Wifey gonna get mad, man, I got stuff all over the place, man, turmeric, all over. If you look, it's just green. I'm doing green everywhere. I'm getting addicted, I think. Got my little chayotes growing. Wish I could have got me some Millertone heirlooms, but I mean it is what it is. I had to bring them inside. I couldn't let them get cold. And I'm starting them food with these little house plants too. I mean it's crazy, but it is what it is. So this my first little video. I'm gonna try to make more, start recording and documenting what's happening. I got a good feeling about spring. I really think, cause I'm learning. It's probably like my second season trying, second or third season. But I think it's gonna be all right by the grace of God. You heard me?